Today I'm going to show you how to make nice, crispy, delicious, air-fried Twinkies in less than 6 minutes. Hope you enjoy. First, you're going to want to set the temperature for 370 and preheat it for 2 minutes. After it's complete, you're going to want to place 2 to 4 Twinkies in and simply set it back for another 2 minutes cook time at 370 degrees. When it's done, you're just going to want to simply flip them over real quick. Make sure you use tongs or something so you don't get burned. And once they're flipped over, you're going to put it back in for 1 minute. If you like them extra crisp, of course you can go longer, but it really does just take 1 minute to get them crisp on top at this point. When they're done, you're going to simply pull them out. Look how crispy they are. And you're going to take them and plate them with some nice, delicious ice cream.